Let's work with a bit of a methods now here. Before starting methods, we need to understand a few things on some of the keywords. Example, the main. This is the main method on C Sharp, static void main. So where all your program interpretation start from the main method. So that you need to understand. Everything you written inside the method, those are named as parameters. Parameters used to pass value within the methods. The methods can be named as even a functions. These can be named as even functions. So this method can be defined even as a function. So as I said, this parameter, the arg parameter, will be helping to pass value in between these methods. So this static keyword we'll be learning in the later exercises. It's defined sort of access modification, like what what program can use this access this particular method. When you say this void keyword indicating that there's no returning value from this method, there's no returning value. So that's even you need to understand. So just let's keep the static at void for a second and let's move on. Then I'm going to create a method. I say static. So make sure that you will be creating method within the class. This is your class, the main class within the class, that is class called program. So I will be developing here. I say static, again the keyword comes, and I say void my method. So I will not have parameters, which mean it's openly keeping there, and I have to make sure this is open bracket close bracket, and I will say console dot write line. I will say method is executed. So the method is going to be executed here. So what we'll do, let's run and see what would happen. Okay, oops, it's blank, nothing has happened. Why is it? So I have developed a method. Within the method there's a write line, console write line, indicating making the program to run and print as method is executed. So this means this should be run actually. So why this is not running, this is not executing, this is not interpreting? Why? I have not called the method. So what is the name of the method? This is the name of the method. What is the method name? My method. So I will copy that and I'm calling that method, calling the method. Okay, so in there, what is the name of the method? I say my method and make a semicolon. So this is how I call the methods. So what happened? Program start reading on this main method. It comes here, interpreter, C# interpreter comes here and try to interpret this, and he read the method name and it comes here, and I understand this method and printing this statement, method is executed. Now let's run and see. So yeah, it's a method is executed. So this is what you need to understand here very simply. So I have method, I developed the method where you need to have these two keywords, static, it's access modify, void, say no returning value, and I have a method name. I use my keyword in front of the method just to make sure that there's no any keyword is used here. So when you put my in front, so accidentally if you use them as a keyword of a keyword in C# language, even it's avoided. So then I need to call the method within the main method. How do you recognize the main method in C#? It calls main. Here, keyword main comes here. So main method is the location where program execution starts. So when the program execution starts, it comes here, he read, it's my method. He need to come back to my method and print whatever or the activity is given within the method.